looks so weird.
So I'm just gonna screen get started. So I showed you guys these last week.
We're not doing this, are we?
Yeah, we are doing these. So Replit. Should probably bookmark this, but whatever.
Why is it so zoomed in?
It's not. That's how it is.
Not zoomed in. Okay. Since there's nobody, I'll tell what happened to me in like Kahoot class.
Okay. So,
They got pretty cool stuff, dude.
Can you review what we did last class? Because I was like trying to practice and I forgot what. I kind of got confused.
So last class we just basically got deeper into for loops and variables.
Yeah, it was crazy.
And also, guys, this is recording. So okay.
Okay.
Python. Everybody remember these steps, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Not weeb. Oh no. I put weeb. So it is ready. So
This is Python class 3, right?
yeah, Python loop 3. So you guys remember how to do this, right? So I want you guys to work on this, and I'll give you about 5 minutes. It should.
What?
Yeah, it's very easy.
Did we learn how to do this?
We did.
What do we use?
Variables and for loops, obviously.
Okay, wait. Could you just show me how to do that again? Because I was trying to do it and I couldn't.
Sure. Let me just solve it then.
Yeah, thanks.
You can solve on the right example. Why is it so huge for me? Oh, strange.
And for I in run.
Zoom. Ritu, can you zoom out?
No, because that you need to see the pattern. So other.
Oh, because you like I can see the open width. Like it's so huge. The open width. It's like open width.
So this was the answer. This is recording. This is recording. Okay, so
Oh, okay, forgetting.
run. See, there you go. It might not look the same, but I have a solution.
Okay, I see.
It is not that one.
So you did that 4x in range 1 to 11. So we put 10 times.
So as I said before.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. So as I said before, all of these are 10 by 10s. Almost every pattern that you see is a 10 by 10.
So we can do let's see, y equals to
But before we move on, I need to tell you guys something that's actually super important, and it's pretty advanced. So does anyone know about wait one second, is it CHR or CHR? Yeah, it's CHR. So it's CHR.
I have never heard of
and ORD. So these are for printing ABCs and like without using print, which you will be using.
Oh, CHR. Okay, character.
Yeah, but this is a function, so it's not gonna be. See, for stuff like this, it starts from
Oh,
five.
okay.
So you'll be using CHR and ORD. CHR stands for characters, to print characters, and ORD stands for order of the characters, like which number is the character. So I'm gonna first print CHR. So CHR64, run this. You get at, oh yeah, 65, sorry.
Wait, why did you get at when you
Oh,
pressed
see, okay, yeah. So this is what you guys should experiment with in your weekend. See, use ORD and search up 1, 2. Yeah, there's no. Whoops. Yeah. So you have to start from 64. So if you see, oh, okay, okay. Yeah. See, search up A. This is ORD, so it takes. Oh yes.
parentheses.
Yeah, see, so the order of A or the number of A is 65. So how would
How?
this useful? See, print CHR and 65, that'll print A.
Wait, how does that make any sense? A is the first character. Like, why?
Issue, symbols and all of the other kind of things. That is why A is 65. Python,
Wait, I didn't hear you. What did you say? What did you say?
like symbols and numbers and like all of that stuff.
Uh-huh.
Wait, what are you doing?
That's why 60. So, what would you do?
Critic. And we're done.
Okay, so, yeah, Arima, what's your question?
Wait, so if you print six, like if you did 66, would it be B?
Yeah, that would be B.
Listen, what happens when you print 1?
That would give you that would give like you a symbol, I think. Yeah, that would give you a space. Let's see what happens with 2. That's also a space. So maybe
I guess all the numbers on up
It's a
till
space.
65 is a space.
Oh, it's a double space?
No,
No,
when I
see-
typed 64, it gave me at.
yes, 64 is at. Let's try 63. So this is what I want you guys to experiment with in the weekend.
What
See,
is
question mark
it?
10.
Oh.
See, these are super cool to experiment with and
Oh, like, the character of the thing, 60-something. Wait, where does it start with? Go to
I don't know.
50,
That's
try
what I'm
50.
That's why I'm experimenting.
Try 50. Try 50.
Try to-
How can you like type a word like?
You can't type a
multiple
word.
words?
See,
Oh, cool. Okay. It has the number.
yeah. See, so I think 49. Actually, no, 48. Let's try 48. That should be 0 since Python goes with whole numbers. Yes.
Wait,
So
what is...
this is what I got. This is what I want you guys to experiment with. See, it starts from 48. Starts from 48. See, 48. It starts from.
where does it go until? Try 70.
It goes until Z. Okay, and Z is 121, I believe.
Okay.
Actually, no.
What?
Uh,
Wait, I think it's 120. I think it's 120.
Guys, so a good way to find out is ORD, quotes and Z. And there's also lowercase letters, so yeah, don't get confused. So that's 90. Let's try lowercase z. And that's 122. So I got that right. That's super cool. So I believe that and remember, it's not CHAR, it's CHR. Pretty weird. So 121. And that is why, yes, okay. So yeah, just experiment with these and memorize whatever. So yeah.
So it seems like it has a lot of characters.
Yeah. So back to our test. Or no, I already finished that one. So you guys get the patterns, right? Just use for loops and variables and print, and you get it.
Yeah.
Make sure to use
Actually, I don't understand pattern 2.
pattern 2. So you have to code this. So once again, I'm gonna take pattern 1 as an example again. So these are 10 by 10 dots, right? That might look like that might not look like it, but it's a 10 by 10 dot, 10 by 10 dots. So let's go I equals, and let's make
I can do this. Wait.
dots.
I can do this. Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
One.
Okay, that's 4. So then that's 8. Point, and I think that's 10.
Yeah, it's 10.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's 5 twos. Yeah, that's 10. That's a quick way to calculate these. See, if you highlight 2 of them, then you can calculate. Like, see, there's 2, so there's 5
Yeah.
twos, which equals 10. So that's a quick way to calculate. I just found that out. I didn't know that before. I actually didn't know that. So for x in range 1 through 10, because you're printing it 10 times. But remember, if you want to go to 10, use 0, since it's from whole numbers. Almost all of the coding language is, I think actually all of them go with whole numbers. So now you can do print I. Now it'll print 10 by 10 dots like that. So yeah, it's pretty simple. That's it.
Yes, but how do you do number 2? I don't get it. Like, there's more 10s.
Okay, so this is all about the pattern. So whatever pattern you find, you have to try to code that. So 1 second, I'm gonna see something. One second, everybody. Okay. So this, right? So let's. Okay, here we go. So I equals 1. Okay, and what should our other variable be? So it's just about all the logic. So if I equals 1, I is the thing we're gonna print each time. Okay, so we're gonna print that 10 times, and then we need to start something new. So
Wait, what were you saying? What were you saying? What were you?
Oh, I get it. So basically, you do it each and every time. So I equals 1.
you have to have
A
some
equals
logic,
2. B equals 3.
kind of. Yeah.
My internet is really bad. So what did you say?
My internet is also pretty bad. So it's all about the logic. So when you're doing like, see, you have to find out the pattern and think of some code and get the logic and code it. Understand? It's like just simple. So for this one, this might be a bit complex, but see, I equals 1. I mean, no, not 1. You always want to start with 0, actually, whenever you're making like these kind of variables. And then you want to do for x in range, like 1 through 11, since, or you can do 1 through 10, I don't know. I don't really care. So I equals, no, not I equals, plus equals 1. And then you have to do, this is, you don't really need to do this, so I'm going to skip it. And print I times 10. So this is going to look a bit weird since I skipped a line. Yeah. Okay. See, you have to print we learned about this last week, string. So yeah, there you go. So the reason why this looks so weird is because.
Wait, I don't understand.
1 second. I have an idea. Nope.
It's just really confusing.
Yeah, it is actually a little bit confusing. And there you go. So what we're doing here is also, whenever you're coding, you always have to read the code and try to understand it. So especially in cases like this. So I equals 0, right? So for x in range 1 through 11. So there's a loop for 10 times, okay? And I plus equals 1. So first, we're printing.
Wait, can you explain what the fourth line means?
So I told about this last week. So I plus equals 1 means it adds 1, whatever the value is. So if you just did I plus 1, that would give an error because you just can't do that unless you're in a print function. So I plus equal 1 keeps on adding, and you would use that in like for loops and while loops.
Oh, because if you did that, it would print 0 10 times.
No, this would give an error.
No. Say what I'm saying is, if you completely didn't have that line,
I don't understand how.
Yeah,
there's
that would be
3
0.
more
That would be
10.
0.
yeah, it would just print
I don't
0.
understand how there's 3 more 10.
Okay, see, there isn't 3 more 10s. It's just like, you know how many digits there are? See, if you count the 10, that's why I got confused. I had to count every single time, but now I trust myself about 10 by 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just because of the digits and the spacing and the like amount of space it takes. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both of these are 10.
Then
No.
what does that fifth line do?
Oh,
What is that
okay.
fifth line doing over there?
Okay, yeah, this was the complex part. I thought whoever asked, oh, like, why is there 3 more 10s asked about this. But what is this doing? So you know how I accidentally, okay, good, said it right. You know whatever. You know how I accidentally, no, whoopsie daisies. You know how I did this? You know how I did this one time? And I just printed 10, 20, 30, yeah, like that. See, that's because it's doing a value times 10. But right now, we experimented last week, if I comment this. We experimented last week that if I set I equal to 10, I did print I times 10. No, always use symbols whenever you're coding. So I times 10, that's going to be 100, right? But then if we use this function called string, I got many questions about this. So it's str parentheses, and inside there's the variable name. Then we would get 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 like that. Because see, you're turning string, you're turning so you know how this is an integer?
Wait, so one second. Why do we even use string? Why can't you just use like the string?
Because you're trying to turn a variable that is changing its value. See, you know how we did I plus equals 1? That's changing the value of I. So you can't just like keep on changing that while the program is running. And if you did this, that would print I times. That would print I, blah, blah. See? I.
Oh.
So that's turning a string. It turns the value of it into a string.
Okay.
Sorry about that. That wasn't me. So 10, 10, 10, you get it? And another thing that I did is I put these in parentheses. And remember, Python always goes PEMDAS. Okay, so if we add a string to it, a string with a space, it's gonna add that, and it's gonna say 10 and space and 10 and then space, because you're making this times 10. So that's 10 space. It's like this whole part 10 times. So that's again
Yeah,
that.
because you put that in parentheses.
Yeah, and see when I try to highlight everything, see, that does not mean that there is no space over here. There's also a space over here. Okay, so if I do this plus this, if I do that, you will understand that, see, there's a space over here. See, there's a space over here. So
Yeah.
that does not mean there's no space over here. So you just, it's really fun to experiment and just learn to use. So let me uncomment this. So you guys understand this, right? This pattern thing and all that stuff.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
A bit.
How much time has it been? 3 minutes.
Not really. So put it in YouTube. Or I'm not gonna understand anything.
Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I don't know why. It didn't feel like it.
That's
So,
because
yeah,
you've been giving
Oh, why'd
us
you delete that? What the heck? Why did you delete that?
because we're going to the third pattern. So yeah, no ask for any help.
No.
I know that you guys know how to do this, so yeah,
No, what?
you can finish it.
Fine.
I'll give you 10 minutes. 15 if you need it. Okay, I finished.
Wait, how do you comment? Do you press Control question mark?
So select everything and press Control question mark.
Okay, yeah, that's what I thought.
At least that's how it is on my computer. I'm not sure about Windows or anything like that.
No, it works, yeah.
Okay. I'll be checking the time. So.
Wait, what? How do you do the star thingy before the 10? Like,
The STR. So just do STR and
no, the, like, can you go back to, the thing, like, the Python, classroom thing? Python?
Repo.it?
Yeah.
Okay.
oh, I already have that code. So 1 second.
Like,
Sure.
I need to see that code. I don't remember anything.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. That got it first. Okay then. 1 second. 1 second. Everybody. 1 second. Everybody. 1 second. Everybody. This you mean?
But no, I'm talking about the, you see the print STR, Y, and, like, there's a star thing for that. After the print STRY thing.
Okay. 1 second. Are you talking about like the first one?
No, it was the, like,
Second one?
it was the fifth one, maybe. I don't
Fifth
know.
one. Okay, I see what you're talking about. You're talking about
Like,
I got it. I got how to do pattern 3.
so like you're talking about how to do the character in order.
yeah, like, yeah.
Okay.
something like that.
So all I told you to do there was experiment like with all of the let me go through that again. So you know how you do like
Real quick, just
Oh,
saying.
okay, Vishu, I heard you. So if you print order of string, you always need string. Let's say lowercase h.
No, I think what I'm asking is, like, in the fifth line or something, there was like a print str and then y, and then there was a symbol or something, like there was like a
Okay. You're talking about this.
yeah on there, like before the 10.
You don't understand it?
No, like I don't get what that thing is. Like, how do you do it? Like,
Yeah, you don't understand. Okay, so
like you see on the like what do you press to get the, like, you see on the fifth line there's like print and then I, and then after I there's a symbol or something.
okay, 1 second. Okay, so like this, okay. Not printed. So
No, I'm what I'm trying to say is, like,
this line, yes. This
yeah,
line. I get
yeah. So at the
So-
last number there's a 10. Before that 10 there's like a star thing. What is that?
Oh, that's a multiplication sign. So it shows differently. I don't want to turn on the camera, but I guess I have to. Where is that spare keyboard that we had? Okay, whatever. Let's just show it.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Boom. So you see this percentage? So you have to press.
Yeah.
In order to get that, you need to press Shift
Yeah.
and A.
Yeah, I pressed that, but then it gives a smaller one. Like,
Yeah. See, I'm on a MacBook, so that's why it shows differently. But it's the exact same.
oh, okay.
I don't know why, but for these computers.
Can you show the code really quick?
What?
Can you show the code? The code you have.
No. So Vishu, you said you finished, right? Do you want to share?
Yeah. Okay, sure.
Anyone else finished?
Close.
I know it's only been like 6 minutes, but
So wait, can you enable it?
oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, thanks.
What are
This is
those
what I
now?
need. Right, this is not done.
Yes, that is correct. Correct. That's correct. Yeah,
Okay.
that's correct. Yeah. I'll give. Oh yeah. I guess Vishu already shared it, so you could just copy this code. But yeah, what we are going to do is go to the next pattern. But has anyone else finished?
No, I'm not even close to done.
Ritvik, will you let me copy down the code you have on there? Because I'm trying to write everything and commenting it so I get everything in. So can you just pause it at the screen for a bit?
Yeah. So another thing the issue is when I actually want to share something that I have. You can let me open it. So you know these patterns, I did them. I did 20 of them. So a suggestion is always after you do this, do print. Okay, just do print with nothing inside. And then we'll make a blank space. So if I uncomment these last two, I guess. Yeah, that's two. So if I uncomment these, I get, and I run this. How do I run this? Oh yeah, it's not Control Tab, it's Control. Yes, okay, got it. Python, no, yeah, Python patterns. You guys don't need to worry about this. Okay. Oh yeah, for some reason I can't run these. I forgot. But basically what I'm saying is one second. Yes, perfect. So let's say I did like 2 of them. If I run, see, I get a space. But if I took out this print,
Can you redo that?
yeah, see, I would just get a weird thing like this. So it wouldn't really make sense. So if I did the print, then I would get a blank space. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, but no, kind of.
So whenever you're splitting two projects, what you show them to your mom or dad, I would suggest you to put a space in the middle by saying print.
Okay.
Because if you didn't have this, then you run it, and it would just be a bit weird, and they would probably think that this would be the exact same project, but it's not, right? And it'll be a bit clearer if you use print. So
Okay.
I would suggest it.
My video keeps turning on. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go again. Okay, so you guys want to do the fourth one?
No.
No.
1 second, dude. If you let me copy one of the code.
I didn't even finish 3. I need help
Okay,
with 3.
You could just take a
I don't
picture if you
understand.
want to copy.
Yeah, Kritik, you have a problem?
Actually,
Yeah, you can check.
you know what? I'll take a photo of my of the wedding.
Kritik, you can like share your screen now.
Oh no, I'm using the laptop and an iPad. My iPad doesn't have the
Okay,
stuff
then
needed. Okay, now
turn on your video. Do you have a video
so
option?
it accidentally run even though I didn't mean for it. So 1 moment.
So it works. Kritik, so it works.
It is.
Okay, then. What's that pencil? It's a bit weird. Okay, then, so. Kritik, can you go to like REPL.it?
REPL.it.
Yeah, can you use REPL.it instead of like this stuff? I think it's like the terminal. Can you use REPL.it? Because sometimes there's problems.
How do you spell REPL.it?
Huh? Kritik?
It said, how do you use REPL.it or something like that?
Oh yeah, you didn't join the first class. Okay, Kritik, what you can do is I have an old video on YouTube. So,
That tells you how to log into REPL.it.
yeah, I have some Python tutorials for 1 second.
Okay, I got REPL.it.
Just 1 second. I'll send you a tutorial, which is actually very old. I think it was
Actually, it says that it says teacher
Yeah.
sign up for education product.
Yeah, just wait.
What?
Just wait. Oh yeah, I forgot to publish my other. Okay, so yeah, here it is.
Show the video right now. Show the video right now.
Yeah, see, this was 1 year ago, 2 minutes. So you can watch that right now. And,
Yeah, but you have to mute yourself, or we'll all be hearing.
oh yeah. I'm sorry.
Wait, could you please put the video?
Yeah, I actually want to. Okay. I'm sorry if I sound like a baby. So, what we
Make sure it's not too loud. Oh,
is anyone watching a movie or something?
my parents are watching some sort of program. Hey.
Oh, they're watching coding? I mean,
No, they're not.
You said they were watching some kind of program.
Just wait. I need to fix my mouse. It's not working properly.
What kind of program is it? Is it rock, paper, scissors, shoe? I mean, not shoe.
It's a Telugu program.
So, dude, can you just please show me the code?
Okay, I can't see the video for REPL.it.
It's in the chat. If you click on it, Load, 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 load,
Can
load.
you show me the replicate code, please?
Wait 1 second, Vishu. Someone is having a problem.
And your screen is going to look
Yeah, don't worry about that. Yeah, so it works. You just have to click on it in the chat.
Wait, let me try that. I hope it doesn't be too loud.
No.
Don't blame me if it's way too loud.
Okay, so
Okay, can I say, please don't go crazy. Okay. Okay, got it.
Ritwik, why did you put me in the waiting room? I didn't
we
even
don't hear anything. We don't hear any disturbance when you're watching the video. Nobody's talking. Okay, so everybody gets these patterns, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. So, let me think, I don't know what I was gonna say. Oh, yeah, 1 second, I need to see something. I might accidentally leave, but don't worry.
Sorry, what did I miss?
Yes, here.
Hey, Ritwik, do you still do Vedic math classes?
No.
Then why do you have a Vedic math WhatsApp group?
Oh no, that's like, so remember my like Vedic math class that I have? Not like that we do.
Yeah.
Not the 12 o'clock, not the one that, okay, you know, see, I go to class, I go to a Vedic math class. I go to it. I'm not sure about you guys, but I go to it, and that's a personal. It's not like the Jesus group one. It's like paid classes.
Oh, so that's the group of yours?
Yeah.
Oh, Vedic math?
Okay, so everybody understands this, right? So,
not yeah.
okay then.
Yeah, I understand it. I'm good to go. Yeah.
No, you're not ready to go because we have 10 more minutes.
10 more
A zero kids.
Okay, I don't know why this is unlimited. Oh, no, this isn't unlimited. This, so rejoin. I absolutely forgot.
No,
This is
it
unlimited.
doesn't show the time limit.
This is unlimited. So yeah, that's good. It's been past 40 minutes, I guess. So it's unlimited, guys. So
Guys, I want to show you something in Kahoot. If you guys can.
you're free. 1 second.
Guys, I can't join today's Blue Kid class.
Why?
That's because I'm going to get 1,000 coins easily.
Wait, why can't you join Broken CrossFit?
That's because I had to go to a birthday party. That'll last until 6 o'clock, which is basically in time for science class.
Yeah. Okay. So
Not for you,
I wanted to show something.
I actually wanted to show some weird, cool stuff. For some reason.
Please say we're doing Kahoot at least. So if we can't do Blue Get.
Shut up.
Mm,
Oh, no, where's my thing? There. Can you see my screen?
No,
No,
we can see your video.
Okay. No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, it's gonna drop. I got a new
You
monitor.
want to share your monitor?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Hey,
I
wait,
got a wireless mouse, I got a wireless keyboard, and I got a monitor on the same day.
Oh, nice.
but Vishu, didn't you say you want to show something on Kahoot?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I also heard you wanted to show something about Kahoot.
Yeah, that's what I.
I didn't.
I also want to show something, but it's on a different computer, so I can't. It's actually really cool though. Wish I could. So,
Have you guys heard of the brand Median?